Embark on a journey of academic excellence and cultural richness with Student Castle, Oxford, where student accommodation becomes a gateway to the vibrant tapestry of Oxford. Choose from a diverse range of spacious non-ensuite, ensuite, and studio apartments, each meticulously designed to enhance your student experience. Every room is thoughtfully crafted with cozy beds, ample storage, and study desks, complemented by high-tech kitchens and elegant bathrooms for added comfort. Talking about amenities, enjoy a plethora of amenities at your fingertips, from an Instagram-worthy gym, games room, and study area to a bustling outdoor courtyard. Situated in the heart of Oxford, Student Castle is a short distance from the University of Oxford and the City of Oxford College. You'll never have to worry about getting late for your lectures. As the sun sets, explore Oxford's lively nightlife, from laid-back evenings at Slug and Lettuce to Oxford's culinary delights with a myriad of pubs, restaurants, and vibrant nights at Thirst Bar. Whether it's a coffee fix at Art Cafe or an exotic meal at Bangkok House, Student Castle Oxford immerses you in the city's vibrant culinary and cultural scene. Talking about commute options, Oxford train station is a 7-minute walk and the closest bus station is a 13-minute walk from Student Castle Oxford. Don't wait any longer. Dive into Oxford's rich artistic heritage and vibrant student living experience at Student Castle Oxford. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.